We're back. Hi, does everyone remember my best friend multiplication? This is multiplication, my dog, and I am division. Nice to meet you. Multiplication, how are you today? Good? Oh, wait. Good? Good. What are we going to learn today? What's that? It's called KFC. You mean like chicken? No, like the fried chicken, Kentucky? No? KFC, keep, flip, change. Okay, let's see what multiplication is talking about. I might need you again, so stay pretty close. Okay, kiddos, today we're going to continue practicing dividing fractions by a whole number or with a whole number, but we're going to use a strategy called KFC. Keep, flip, and change. What does that mean? Well, my son Colton, who's also in 5th grade, taught me this idea, and I like it. Now, it is a trick. It is an acronym that we use to help us remember how to divide fractions. So it doesn't have a lot of meaning behind it, but it will still help us learn the idea. And it's called KFC. So in a division equation of fractions, the first number, there we are, you're always going to keep it. The equation symbol, you're going to flip it. And the fraction, you're going to change it. Okay, so what do you mean? Well, let's see. Right now, which symbol is this equation asking you to solve? It's asking you to solve the division symbol, me, division. But if I flip the symbol, that means that I change it into multiplication. Okay, so this is how it works. You might see a fraction like this on the worksheet that I provided for you that you should be practicing right now. The first number in the division equations is a whole number. Keep it as it is. So this guy, the number 5, keep him. He's going to stay just like that. Now, what does the F stand for again? Flip. That's right, multiplication. It stands for flip. What that means is I'm going to take my division symbol and I'm going to flip it to a multiplication symbol. Okay, so that's the F in the KFC. Now, the last part is the trickiest. It's the part that makes the least sense, but it works, and it's called change. When we change the last part of the equation, we must take the bottom number, the denominator, and bring it to the top. And then I'm going to take my numerator and bring it to the bottom. So when I'm dividing, my fraction turns from 3/6 into 6/3. And this is the change piece of my KFC. Okay? Keep, flip, and change. All right, now let's apply it. Now remember, when I say KFC, I'm not talking about chicken. Oh man, I'm talking about keep, flip, change. And yes, I am talking to plastic animals. That's true, but I'm in quarantine, so I can talk to things that aren't real, right? Okay. Let's bring up our whiteboard so we can see if this KFC thing works. Okay, let me look at my notes, and we're going to start with 2 divided by 1/5. Okay, so first we're going to keep, then we're going to flip, then we're going to change. Ooh, chicken's beginning to sound real good right now. If you don't have a piece of paper or pencil or marker or a whiteboard or anything in front of you, please pause the video and go get something to write with. Okay, we're back. Okay, so what do I do with the first number, the whole number? I keep it, that's right. So he just stays the same, okay? Now, what do I do with my division sign? Change it into multiplication. That's right, BFF. I'm gonna change it into, here, why don't you try to change it into the multiplication sign? See if we can trick our viewers, okay? What's your favorite color? Let's see. Okay, white. Your favorite color is white? No, you can't use white. They can't see it. Okay, pick a different color. Okay. Oh, let's try it. Lavender. Ooh, pretty multiplication. Okay, so she has flipped the division sign to a multiplication sign. All right. And then what do we do with the last guy? What do we do with the fraction? Remember, KFC? We change him, okay? We change him. So that changes 1/5 into, excuse me, I got this, 5/1. So my new equation using KFC is 2/1 times 5/1. Okay, easy peasy. Let's move my face out of the way. And I'm going to multiply straight across. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1. And my final answer to 2 divided by 1/5 is 10. Hooray! I don't know how to do any of those cool like YouTube noises or like pop-ups on the side or like switch screens. All you get is me, but you also get multiplication. Okay, let's try one more and then we're done for today. And then make sure you're trying these at home because I'm going to see you guys tomorrow on Wednesday. Okay, one more. All right, multiplication. Let's do KFC and see if it works again. Okay, let's go with blue today, or blue right now. All right, let's try the equation 2 divided by 1/3. KFC. Okay, we're gonna go a little bit quicker with this one. So make sure you have your writing tool and your piece of paper ready so that you can jam through this with us. Okay, what do we do with the whole number, the first number, excuse me. It's not always a whole number. Sometimes this might be a fraction, but even if it is, you still keep it, okay? So don't worry about that yet. But what do I do with my first number? I keep him. He stays as he is. Okay, F, flip. Let's flip the equation, okay? I'm gonna turn him into a multiplication sign. Thank you. Okay, and what do we do with the fraction? We change him. So I'm gonna change 1/3 to 3, oh, almost had it there, 3/1. Okay, that leaves me with 2/1 times 3/1, which equals 6. Okay, but remember, we said in the video before this that multiplication and division are the same things. So let's see if this works. Let's see if we can prove it. I'm going to erase this guy down here. What was our original equation? Our original equation that we started with was 2 divided by 1/3. So we just proved that 2 divided by 1/3 equals 6, right? So because 2 divided by 1/3 equals 6, then if that's true, then multiplication, oh, her favorite color was lavender, that's right. Then multiplication says that 6 times 1/3 equals 2. Is she right? Think back to our old video, our video that you watched earlier about multiplication and division being best friends. 2 divided by 1/3 equals 6 because 6 times 1/3 equals 2. Well, we proved the division problem. We proved this guy right here. So we know that is true. Now, is this guy true? Well, let's see. That was 6 times 1/3. Someone remember that, because I won't. 6 times 2/3. Okay? Just kidding. 1/3. Okay, let's see if it works. Let's take our whole number and put it over the number 1 times 1/3. Multiply straight across. 6 times 1 equals 6. 1 times 3 equals 3. Uh-oh, I think it's going to work. Now that's an improper fraction, so I must change it to a mixed number or a whole number if it works. 3 goes into 6 2 times. Excellent, because 2 times 3 equals 6. Beautiful. So 6/3 equals 2 wholes. So yes, multiplication, it's true. We are best friends. Just to review what just happened, we just proved that 2 divided by 1/3 equals 6 because 6 times 1/3 equals 2. All right, guys. Well, we did it. There you are. We did it, little plastic toy. Thanks for helping me with this lesson. I can now X out this off of my notes because I have just taught it to you. We'll see if I really did teach it to you when we get together tomorrow. And before we go, I really focus on this one because I think I am 0 for 4 right now. Okay, so let's see. Now, mind you, I am like pretty far from the basket, so cut me some slack. Maybe multiplication will be my good luck. Okay, multiplication, here we go. Focus. Still way off. If anyone has any advice, yeah, I'll take it. Okay, see you guys later.